What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? How you guys doing? Today we're going out. We're going out for a little ride, taking my little boy Noah. We're gonna go for some ramen, see how the day goes. I don't even know if I can go into the store, if we can eat, so we're gonna have to figure this out as we go. But ramen, he's been wanting ramen for a long time, and ramen sounds delicious, so that's what we're doing. Alright guys, so we had to make a U-turn. My boy forgot his gloves, and there's no way I'm letting him ride without them. Underneath his sweater, he's got like a full armor kit set up. So if you're wondering, why ain't he wearing a jacket? That's why. And if you've been watching my videos for a while, you already know I ain't about to let him go out without any gear like that. So anyways, the plan is to go find ramen. We were going to go ride all the way to Temecula, but it is a little chilly for like a long ride. Ooh. So we'll just edit that out. Ain't nobody need to see that. It is a little too chilly for a long ride. So I looked around my area and I found a place. I don't know if like they're open for dine-in and we can sit outside or inside, because the rules are changing so much. So I'm not 100% sure, but we're gonna find out. Obviously on the bike, if we can't dine in or eat outside, then we can't have ramen, and we'll have to find something. So the mission and the goal right now is to have ramen, but we're gonna find out. It was yesterday. It was stupid warm. It was so nice. It was like 80 degrees. Today's about 60 something. Still nice, plenty nice for riding. It's supposed to rain and get a little colder this weekend, but it's all good. So this boy gets to get two for one, huh? You get to go for a ride and get some ramen. I'm looking forward to ramen. I did take a look at the reviews. This place has some good reviews, so I'm excited. There are the possibilities. They also have sushi too, so I might grab some sushi. Yeah, I might grab a roll of sushi. We'll see how it works out. If it's good, oh man, it's in trouble. If it's good, we're in trouble, because that means I'm gonna have to get it quite a bit. Let's fit through. Oh, I don't think we'll fit. Oh, we might. We do. We fit. Look at that car. He has some stickers in the front. That big one on the side, huh? Yeah, there's not many restaurants around here, so I mean, there's a lot of Mexican restaurants around here, but not a lot of Asian restaurants or like different genres of food. So I wasn't sure. So hopefully this place is legit. I'm really hoping it's legit. It says turn left here. I don't see anything here. We're gonna follow the instructions. I think it was in that shopping center right there. We'll go around. Oh, there it is, right there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And it looks like someone's inside. Oh, and the haircut place is here. We might be able to do a double duty and get you a haircut. I kind of don't like that I have to sit over here, but go ahead, get off. Go. I don't know if we can. Are we able to eat here? No? Damn. We can't eat. No ramen. We got a motorcycle. That sucks. I wish they had tables out here. So now what? It smells so good. Time to find something else. Let's see. I might see if we can get another ramen place. That smelled so good. I was so excited for that. That is dumb. Let me see. Red Robins. Yum. I think that's their theme. I still would have rather had ramen, to be honest, but whatever. It sucks. Oh, we can park on the other side. That's what we'll do. This should be good though. Come on. We'll see if they have any room. And this is how Red Ramen has it set up. This is how the ramen place should have been. Thank you. Come here. Let's get you set up. Hold on. Turn you off. Push. There you go. Put that over there. This is what dinner looks like out in California, or lunch, restaurant. Most places are like this. You eat outside and get your food. Alright, the question is that burger better than ramen?
No.
Like how much less better is this than ramen? Like if that's, well, out of 10, is this a 5?
I'll give it a 6.5.
A 6. Ramen would have been a 10, huh?
Yeah.
Ramen would definitely have been a 10. This is okay. This is okay. It's okay. All right, look at all that cleaned up. What's the best thing you had? Is it the burger or the fries?
I can't really tell.
What do you mean?
They both taste good.
They both taste good? I have to say, yeah, they're both pretty good. I tried the jalapeno thing. Here's the cool part. You can like pay. Oh. We can just pay right here. Everything good? Pay. Yep. Yeah, thank you. Anyways, we cleaned up our stuff. Pretty much ate all of the foods. Now we're gonna go try to, man, boy, you need a haircut, badly. It was decent. It didn't hit the spot like ramen. Yeah, like ramen would have. Ramen would have hit the spot really good. But it is what it is. So, the fries here are really good though. You know what? You don't have it. I drank too much water and too much. Yeah, well, there's no bathroom here. So we can go to your mom's work and go to the bathroom there. Oh, Lord.
Oh, you got your sweater to fit over? You didn't want to wear mine?
His sweater, he needs to be washed, though.
Mine, he normally wears mine.
Yeah, you know when it was your Lion King one? Yeah.
It was hanging up.
But, he needs a haircut.
I know.
Today. Even if we just use a big 6 and just go...
I can hear you guys echoing.
Yeah. This is Mama's boy.
Don't make that face. You look like a cat. You kind of sound like a cat, too.
I love you, babe. I can't smell you, so I can hug you. Give her a hug. And don't hit her head. Hugs for gloves. Alright. You know, in the end, it was still a good time. We got to hang out. We didn't get the ramen, but we got to hang out, get some decent lunch, and just talk about stuff. And they were delicious fries. You're right. They were pretty scrumptious. Anyways, yeah, good time. So it was always a good time. We got out to ride, and I mean, yeah, that's kind of enough in its own, right? Getting out on a beautiful day in winter, getting to go out and ride, plus hanging out with my kid, getting some lunch. If we can not get red lights, that would be absolutely amazing. But we seem to like, we just get red light after red light after red light after red light, and it really does suck. Projects and money, that's the problem. Oh, he said there's police up here. He said there's police. Which one? Where? Oh, I did not see it. Where is he? Oh, I see him. He's on the left side. Okay. Yeah, did you see the bikes? They tapped their head. That's how you know they're telling us there's a police up here. So if you ever see a motorcycle and he taps his helmet, that's him telling you that there's a police. Oh, look, that's a dirt bike. That's probably why he got pulled over. That's probably not street legal. Yep, that's not street legal. Oh boy, it is such a nice day out. It is a perfect day to ride. It's actually hot when you're stopping at the stoplights and nice when you're riding. So that's like the perfect type of day to go for a ride. Well, I can't complain. A beautiful Sunday ride with my boy, which is always fun. This kid's always down to ride. Anytime I just say, hey, let's ride, he's down to go. The hard part is finding gear for him, so I wish they made jackets for him. If you guys know where you can get kid jackets, that would be dope. Rather than him having to like wear the fox thing and then have, you know, oh my sweater's coming up. Oh well, I'll have to deal with it in a minute. I'm like, no wonder it's getting chilly. My sweater's open. Yeah, if you guys know where to get like cool, like normal riding jackets for kids, that would be dope. I don't know where to get those. So he wears that Under Armour stuff, not Under Armour, but the Fox Racing stuff with a sweater over it and some gloves and a helmet and yeah, good times. Anyways, yeah, that's about it. We've been having fun. If you guys follow me on Twitch, or if you don't follow me on Twitch, you should follow me on Twitch because I've been doing a lot of streaming. I think soon that might end though. So since I hurt myself, I haven't been working at my second job at Amazon, but I think that's kind of coming to an end. I'll probably be going back soon, which means more bike stuff. So that means I'm gonna buy like more parts for bikes and more stuff to do with the bike, and so that's what that job's for. And so I would like to get like a full system on this bike. I want to get the seat cowl, got to get the valve adjustment, got to get it tuned, do all that stuff. And then with the Daytona, I got the mid pipe coming. If you guys don't know, I got the mid pipe I ordered from a guy in Canada who makes them, and so we're going to remove the box underneath, put the mid pipe in, which should make it louder and give more airflow. So that's coming down the road. That should be here on Tuesday, so that'll be a whole video on its own. And then once we have the mid pipe installed, another reason why I need the Amazon job is then from there I'm gonna take it back to the SoCal Superbike. We're gonna get it ECU flashed, get the bike tuned, and then we'll dyno it, see what we're working with. We're at 121 horsepower stock, so I'm hoping to get like 130, 135. That would be cool. 140 would be amazing, but I don't know if we'll pull that without going and doing some extra work. But I don't know. We'll see. So a lot of bike stuff coming down, like work-wise, that we're gonna do. The mid pipe, I'll probably make a whole video on that. We'll go over to Kenny's. Kenny's got the ABBA stand. If you guys haven't seen the ABBA stand, those things are amazing. And you guys will see that later. It picks up the bike completely, like off the ground. You lift. It's just amazing. So that'll be coming down the road. And so we got a lot of stuff coming. I'm gonna try to get videos out. Like I said, I'm gonna try to get videos out as much as possible. And today we just wanted to go grab some food, go for a little ride. So that's really what today was about. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the little quick video out with the beautiful GSX. Man, I do love this bike. This is my workhorse, man. This bike is. I just love riding this bike. It's just so nice. I love all the bikes I ride though. So, anyways, with that said, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And until next time, have a wonderful day. Ride safe, all that good stuff. Peace. I don't know where my hand goes. There it is.